Hey everybody.
Hi.
Welcome back. This is our video update for the week of April 20th. First things first, Zoom classes. Zoom classes are up and running. We've had a lot of people show up. It's really, really fun. We're kind of less strict than we normally are, and it's also awesome just to hear what you guys have been up to and how you're doing and see your beautiful little faces. Next up, we're going to announce the winners for last week's challenge. So last week's challenge was the Tabletop challenge. We have a winner, a very clear winner. The winner for this week is Gracie.
Ginny Weasley.
Ginny Weasley. Gracie had a fantastic costume. Her table looked absolutely perfect. She held it up there. Gracie, congratulations, you rock. Awesome job. We have 4 people for runners-up this week. It was really, really hard to make a decision. So, runners-up are Isaac, Luke, Maddie, and of course Ryan.
Hey, at least somebody beat Ryan. At least
You all
somebody
beat
beat Ryan. Yes.
Somebody beat Ryan. Gracie beat Ryan. And that brings us to our challenge for this week. So this week, we want you guys to make up your own move.
Ooh.
We always tell you what to do. Time for you to show us a little something special. There are 4 things that you have to do in order to make your submission count. You have to block. Hopefully you do that first. You have to do at least 1 hand strike. You have to do at least something with your feet. It could be a sweep, it could be a kick. Don't kick the camera.
I kicked the camera. Your feet.
That doesn't count. And you have to wind up in a different location than you started with. So if you start in a horse stance, you have to somehow move your body so that you are not doing the whole move from a standing position in a horse stance. So those 4 things, submit your videos. As always, beat Ryan.
Yep, beat Ryan.
And anything else? I think that's it. We're just looking forward to seeing you guys again this week. And oh yeah, costumes always. You can always wear a costume. You can wear a costume whenever you want. Nobody lets me wear one. So we'll see you soon and have fun.